Hello everyone, my name is Magar Vaishnavi Parmeshwar from Dayanand College of Commerce, Latur. I am studied in BCA second year. The book I was read and would like to talk about is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, first published in 1963 by Dr. Joseph Murphy. He is an illustrator and he also did PhD in psychology from the University of California. He explains that life events are actually the result of working your conscious and subconscious mind. The book encourages a positive mindset, simple and practical techniques, law of belief that your life is your identity. Dr. Murphy, a spiritual teacher and profile author, argues that the subconscious mind, when the right guide, can become a powerful tool, achieving healthy prosperity, harmony, and personal success. The book weaves together scientific reasoning with the metaphysical and spiritual insights. He emphasized the distinction between the conscious and subconscious mind. While the conscious mind selects thoughts and the subconscious accepts them, truth and acts accordingly. One of the book's central assertions is what numerous causes studied where individuals reportedly overcome illness or adversity through the focused belief in mental suggestion. From this book, you can improve your relationships, your finance, your physical well-being. He also addresses emotional, psychological barriers to personal success, feelings such as guilt, fear, or low self-worth as seen as mental blocks to hinder functional or personal growth. He urges readers to cultivate positive emotions such as love, forgiveness, and compassion. Nothing that this only enhance relationship, but also positively influence conscious programming. A net worth insights is the Murphy emphasis on the moment before sleep to ideal for the reconditioning. During this state, the subconscious mind is more receptive to suggestions. Overall, Dr. Murphy's message is one of empowerment and responsibility. This work is recommended for readers interested in personal growth, emotional balance, and the mind body connection. A key technique prompted by Murphy is the use of positive affirmation and mental imaginary to impress desired outcomes upon the subconscious. By repeated visualization goals such as health, peace, or success and affirming them with conviction, individuals can their inner mental patterns. The book includes numerous case studies where individuals reportedly overcome illness or adversity through focused belief and mental suggestions. Once you learn how to use this unbelievably power force, there is nothing you will not be able to accomplish. This book just gave me a whole new point of view towards life. In this book, author explains how our subconscious mind influences every single aspect of your life. This book says if we direct our conscious mind to be positive, then our subconscious one will automatically bring the happiness in our lives. So, if I have to explain this book in one line, I can say it focuses on positive thinking. I strongly recommended this book. It must be for everyone. Thank you.